Hello my dear students, welcome to our YouTube channel. Dear students, today we are going to study a mathematics chapter for class 10, arithmetic progression. First, the fundamental things about your arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ ତାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ସମାନ୍ତର ପ୍ରଗତି, ସମାନ ଅନ୍ତର. That means ଗୋଟେ ନମ୍ବର ସିକ୍ୱେନ୍ସ ଯେଉଁଠି ଡିଫରେନ୍ସ ରିମେନ୍ କନଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଟ, difference constant ରହିବ, ସମାନ difference ରହିବ. That is your arithmetic progression. Arithmetic ସମାନ୍ତର ପ୍ରଗତି, ସମାନ ଅନ୍ତର, difference will same. 1 2 3 4. It is a number sequence. Here first term a equal to 1 and the difference, common difference is 2 minus 1 equal to 1. Similarly, d1, d2 equal to 3 minus 2 equal to 1. d3, 4 minus 3, 1. That means it is in FP. Short form arithmetic progression, short form is FP. FP. তাহলে ଗୋଟେ number of terms ଦେଇଛି. There are 4 terms, 3, 7, 11 and 13. There are 4 terms. Are these terms in AP? We will try to find it. 8 term गुड़ा 3, 7, 11 and 13 AP रे अछंती ना नहीं. Sequence रे ये number सबू अछंती ना नहीं. केमते हमें प्रूव करिबा. First we will try to find the common difference between these terms. First term is your a equal to 3. Second term a2, a1 is equal to 3, a2 equal to 7. The difference between a2 and a1, 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Similarly, a2 is your 7, a3 equal to 11. The difference between 7 and 11, 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Similarly, a3 equal to 11, a4 equal to 13. The difference between 13 minus 11 equal to 2. That means the difference, common difference that we say. साधारण अंतर means difference will same. Difference जदि same होगा ताले these terms are in FP. If it is not, then it is not in AP. They are not 3, 7, 11, 13 are not in AP. गोटे प्रोग्रेशन रे नहांती, अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन नहे. It is not an AP. ये गोटे AP नुहे. Now proceed further. आ गोटे दुटा एग्जांपल दोछि. A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. These are in AP. Try to understand why. First term is your A. Second term A2 equal to A plus D. A3 equal to A2 plus D. First term A. Second term will A plus D. Difference, common difference को add करी आमे next term गुड़ा find out करी परिबा. If the first term is A, first term A1 equal to A, then A2 equal to A plus D, A3 equal to A2 plus D or A plus 2D. Similarly, A4 equal to A plus 3D. Fifth number term equal to A plus 4D. In this way, we will able to find AN. What is N? Number of terms. Let the number of terms will N. Then AN will be A plus N minus 1 into D. It is the formula of AN. It is the first formula of your FP. FP by a first formula. Try to understand. A1 is your first term A. Common difference D को जब first term में add करिबा, then we will get A2. second term, a plus d. If add another d with a2, then you will get a3. a3 is your a plus 2d. Plus d, another d, then you will get a4. When term number 4, you will add 3d. That means number of d less 1 than the term. Term tharu d ର number 1 less. A5, there are 4d. 4d add haba a saito. Because a term, a is first term, then add another 4d. You will get the number, fifth number term. Term jatiki haba, d tatu gote kam. Because first term is your only a. There is nothing any d. Kichi d nahi. Second term re tame d add karo. A2 equal to a plus d. Similarly, third term a plus 2d, fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d, n number of nth term a plus n minus 1 into d. In this way, you will be able to find the nth term. Now, another things. If a equal to 5, d equal to 3, find, it is a mathematical problem, try to solve it. Find first 4 terms. A is given 5, d is your 3. So, find first 4 terms. First 4 terms means first term is your a. A1 equal to 5. A2 equal to A1 plus D or A plus D, you may simply say it. A1 plus D, that means 5 plus 3 equal to 8. A1 is 5, A2 equal to 8 because common difference is 3. 3 is common difference. Similarly, A3. A3 is your A1 plus 2D. A1 plus 2D. That means A1 is your 5. First term A1. 5 plus 2 into D is your 3. 5 plus 2 into 3. 5 plus 2 into 3 6 equal to 11. A3 is 11. Similarly, A4. A4 equal to A1 plus 3D. A1 is your first term given 5 plus 3 into D is your 3. 5 plus 3 3 is 9. That equal to 14. Here is the answer. A5 first term, 8 second term, 11 third term, 14 fourth term. Tamane find out koriba first 4 terms. In this way we will be able to find this. Another mathematical problem. If A first term, that means A equal to minus 7 and D equal to 3, find 11th term. How can we find the 11th term? 11th term ame kemiti find out koriba. 11th term means A11 equal to A1 first term plus 10D. This is the formula for your an. An formula a plus n minus 1 into d. Number of term jaha habo a1 saito gotte come n minus 1. N minus 1. If n is 11, then n minus 1 equal to 11 minus 1 10. 10d. A1 plus 10d. A1 is already given minus 7 plus 10 into d is 3. Minus 10 plus 10 into 3, 30. 30 minus 7. Answer will be your 23. Here 23 is your answer. In this way you will be able to find. If A and D given, find all the terms. Another question. mathematical problem. If Tn equal to 3n plus 5, find, or An is An equal to 3n plus 5, find 5th, 6th and 10th term. Try to understand. An equal to 3n plus 5. An ro value 3n plus 5. 3n plus 5. तमर 5th term दरकार माने 5th term मिलची a5. अब a5 equal to an equal to 3n plus 5. Then a5 equal to, what will you answer? a1 equal to n1 put kale, here it is 3 into 1 plus 5. Similarly a5 equal to 3 into 5 plus 5, that equal to 15 plus 5 is your 20. That means 5th term is a5 equal to 20. Similarly 6th term a6, 3 into 6 plus 5, 3 into 6 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5 23 will be answer. Similarly 10th term a10 equal to 3 into 10 plus 5, 3 into 10 30 plus 5, 35 will be answer. That means 5th term is 20, 6th term is 23, 10th number term is 35. Your answer. Now another formula about your arithmetic progression. Sum total of terms. N number of term achi. Suppose it is your 1 plus 2 plus 3 dot n. There are n number of terms. Then you will be able to find the sum total of nth terms. N number of terms. Total first term, second term, third term add hejibo. Sn is equal to Sn is your sum total of nth number of terms. N number of terms ro sum total. Your formula is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is your Sn formula. Sum total of n number of terms. N number of terms ro sum total. Try to understand. Let 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus S20 find Sn. Sum of 20 terms. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus S20. S20 means first term, second term, third term. Here it is sum of 20 terms. S20. Find sum of S20. Find out koriar achi. Here Sn equal to S20. Find S20. In this sequence, a number sequence, there are numbers in arithmetic progression. 2, 4, 6. A is your 2. D equal to common difference. 4 minus 2, 2. A is 2, D equal to 2. We will find sum of 20 terms. A is 20. Formula n by 2 means 20 by 2. 2 into A is your 2 plus n minus 1 means 20 minus 1 into D is your 2. S20 equal to 20 by 2, that equal to 10. 2 into 2, 4 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into 2, 38. Now 10 into 38 plus 4, 42. 420 will be answer. That means sum of 20th term. Sum of 2, 4, 6 is 20. Sum of these 20 terms, a 20 term summation will be 420. Another interesting things, very very important for you. Are sum of 100 terms starting from 1 plus 2 plus 3 100. जो माने आमर आदर्श कोचिंग यूट्यूब चैनल ब्रेन बूस्टर देखुथो सेठी मु ए ट्रिकटा गोटे करिकी वीडियो रे छाड़ी थी तुम मैंने जदि देखिन ताले एठी तमे स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1 नु लेकी 100 पर्यंत टर्म रो सम विदाउट फॉर्मूला इवन 5 सेकंड रे के बार कर परिबो. इट इज ए वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर्मूला. सम ऑफ 100 terms, even you can find 1000 terms within seconds. A interesting formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here n is your number of terms. Number of terms n. Here n is 100. That means 100 into 100 plus 1 divided by 2. 2 and 100 cancel. 50. 50 into 100 plus 1, 101. Answer will be 5, 0. 50 into 101. 5 1 is 5. 5, 0. 5050 will be answer. Similarly, we put the value of n differently. अलगा अलगा वे तुम n रो भूल जदि फर्स्ट 100 टर्म्स न देखी सपोज कही दो फाइंड द सम ऑफ फर्स्ट 500 टर्म्स देन यू विल टेक n equal to 500. Similarly, you will be able to find the sum of first 1000 terms. You will take n equal to 1000. In this way, you will be able to find this. Now, another trick. Out the trick मैं कही दूँगी. Another trick. 25 plus 26 plus 27 in this way plus 80. Find the sum of these terms starting from 25 up to your 80. 25 ରୁ 80 पर्यंत नंबर गुड़ा तमें सम बाहर कर. इजीएस्ट वे गोटे अच्छी. हाउ कैन वी फाइंड द सम? You will be able to find the sum. Write the numbers backward counting. Again, let it go backward counting. That means 80, 79, 78. Last is your 25. Starting from 25. 25 to start करके 80 पर्यंत. Backward counting रे लिखिलो. ओडिया रे एटा कहते ओलोटाई मिसावा कौशल. Then add these numbers. 5, 8 plus 2, 10. 9, 6, 15, 4, 5 carries 1. 10. 105. 105. How many 105s are there? How many 105s? कितने 105 के अच्छी? 25 से लेकर 80 तक. 80 minus 25. 10 minus 5, here 7 minus 2, 5. 55. But here 55 plus 1. That is only 56. How? Something. How many numbers? How many counting numbers from 10 to 15? Generally, you will say there are 5 numbers between 10 and 15, but it is wrong. 10 and 15, starting from 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. There are 6 counting numbers. In between, not in between. In between, how many counting numbers? In between 10 and 15. 10 and 15, in between means you will not count 10 and 15. Between numbers 10 or 15. Between numbers 11, 12, 13, 14. Only there are 4 counting numbers. In between this 2, 10 and 15. But 10 to 15, you will count 10 and 15 both also. Because 10 to, starting from 10. Similarly, starting from 25. 25 रे start करियो. आउ 80 तक. 80 minus 25 plus 1. That means there are 56. 56 105. 56 into 105. Divided by 2. 28. 56 cancel. 28 into 105 is your answer. 28 into 105. 28 into 105. How about our answer? It is the easiest way to find the sum of these numbers. Similarly, another trick. Find sum of numbers divisible by 5. 5 are divisible. Find the sum of numbers. Sum of numbers you will find divisible by 5. By 5 are multiples of 5. Multiples of 5 less than 100. Divisible by 5 or multiples of 5. Find sum of numbers multiple of 5 less than 100. 100 to less than. That means you will be find from 5 plus 10 plus 15. The last number will be 95. Last number will be 95. 95 last number. Here A equal to 5, D equal to 10 minus 5. 5. We will able to find the sum of these numbers by applying SN formula. D equal to 5. SN formula तुम जानिछो n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. But what is the value of n here? N multiples of 5 less than 100. Multiples of 5 less than 100. 100 by 5 equal to 20. There are 20 numbers. 20 numbers. 1 to 100. But less than 100 means there are 19. There are 19 multiples of 5 less than 100. That means n is equal to n is your 19. S 19 equal to n by 2. 19 by 2. 2 into a is your 5 plus 19 minus 1 into 5. 19 by 2. 2 into 5 is your 10 plus 19 minus 1. 18. 18 into 5. 90. Here 19 by 2 into 10 plus 90. 100. 2 they cancel. 5. 19 into 5 ja 95. 0. 950 will be answer. In this way you will be able to find the sum. Here another interesting number. Given Tn equal to 3n plus 2. Find S61. S61. How can we find this? S61 means sum of first 61 terms. It is Tn is given means An. Term number n means An. An equal to 3n plus 2. Find A1. First term. 3 into 1 plus 2. 5. A2. 3 into 2 plus 2. 3 into 2 6 plus 2 8. A3. 3 into 3 plus 2. 3 into 3 9 plus 2 11. That means it is a number of sequence. Arithmetic progression ro gote sequence tame paigalo. That means A and D you will be able to find. A equal to 5. D equal to 8 minus 5 equal to 3. Now you are going to find S61 means n equal to 61. Sn formula is your n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is your 61. 61 by 2, 2 into a is your 5 plus 61 minus 1 into d is your 3. 61 by 2, 2 into 5, 10 plus 61 minus 1, 60 into 3, 180. That means 61 by 2, 10 plus 180, 190. 2 रे cancel, 2 9 ja 18, here it is 1 2 5. 61 into 95 will be your answer. In this way you will be able to find the, if a n is given and have to find the Sn. A n given thile ame Sn bar kariba. In this way, another interesting number, an is n square given n is n square. Find S15. N is given. Find T. Sorry. A very interesting number. Sn equal to n square. Find A15. How can we find? What is the relation between Sn and An? That is an interesting relation. N equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. It is a formula. N equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. That means N equal to Sn is your given n square minus Sn minus 1 will be n minus 1 whole square. That means n equal to n square minus formula a minus b whole square. N square plus 1 minus 2n. That equal to n square minus 1 plus 2n. N square will cancel. Here an equal to 2n minus 1. Now you will be able to find A15. A15 equal to 2 into 15 minus 1. 30 minus 1 equal to 29. It is very interesting number. Then, dear students, it was the last of your class. We will study more about your arithmetic progression and all your exercise in your part 2 video. Then try to understand all the formula and basic, very simple mathematical problems. जहाँ सब प्रॉब्लम मु कहली दीज आर वेरी सिंपल. तमें को खूब भल से ट्राए कर रेकग्नाइज करे को रिमेम्बर करियो आउ या परे खूब शीघ्र मु तमन पाई अरिथमेटिक प्रोग्रेशन ऑफ पार्ट 2 अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सिलेबस NCERT syllabus tomorrow exercise one after another I will do all the mathematical problems. Then here it is end of your class. आउ थे स्टार्ट कही दूसरी जो मैंने आम चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना से मैंने सब्सक्राइब कर आउ 10th क्लास ये क्लास तुम भेरी भेरी इंपोर्टाट तुम समस्त जाच आउ अधिका मुझे किसी कहूनी तेणु ऑल द थिंग्स जहाँ भी केतबले पढ़ा जाऊँ तुम मैंने समस्ते भल से देख भल भाव देख रेकग्नाइज कर बुझा चेष्टा कर जदि किसी प्रोब्लेम होची मत कमेंट बॉक्स में जना मुझे तुम आउ अधिक अधिक वीडियो तैयारी करी आउ चैनल को समस्ते भल देख व्यू बढ़ू सब्सक्राइब बढ़ू देन आई विल डू ए मच बेटर फॉर यू. जय हिंद.